Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Mark Has No Idea What He's Doing, or Griddle Porn. I had to come up with some kind of name. Might as well be Griddle Porn, because I keep making videos and cooking food on the griddle, even though I still have no idea what it is. So, this is, it's not a repeat, it's version 2.0 of something I made the other day, pizza. Last week. I made pizza last week. And it's been my most popular video. So, we're going to make it similar. But I didn't write anything down, so I honestly have no idea how I did it. But, let's turn these this way. See, we've got pizza crusts. Pre-made from Trader Joe's, I think. Probably. We'll let those heat a sec. I already made some pepperoni. And ooh, almost too fast. Turn down. Give it another minute. Give it another minute on that side. I did put down oil. You saw me, right? No, honest, I put down oil. It's down to medium low. The black stuff is the garlic powder sprinkled on. I don't know why it turned black unless it was the oil. Gotta have garlic on a pizza, right? Gotta have garlic on pretty much everything. Okay. Let's try some pizza sauce. Enough for one. What did I do? Oh, I got another one. That was fortuitous, was it not? Fortuitous. Spread around. One of these days I'm going to try just making a quickie pizza with some tortillas, but today is not that day. I believe today is a Wednesday, but it's not that day. Nobody can keep track of days. No, let's get it. Ooh, it smells like it's burning a little bit. Yeah. Let's cover this real quick. And we've got some Italian cheese blend with mozzarella. Plenty of cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. More cheese. And just to keep it honest, we'll throw on some Mexican style 4 cheese blend to give it a little flavor. Okay, that definitely needs to turn down. Isn't that pretty? Now we'll throw on a little bit of oregano, because you gotta have oregano on a pizza, right? Almost out of oregano. Put that on my list, will you? oregano. And a little bit of basil. We don't want too much, just enough to make it pretty. Although it's definitely better. And this is some Mrs. Dash, which I love and everything. My hand is hot. We're extra hot today, kids. Extra hot. Even though it's turned down really low. It's kind of weird, no? So, at least make it half as pretty as a $5.99 to-go pizza from one of those famous places, Pizza. Except they usually don't burn theirs. And normally I'd cover the pizzas with a baking sheet upside down. To help the cheese melt. Oh, man. Seriously, that's too hot. Okay, let's try a minute or two anyway. You ready? Here we go. You can even add a little bit of water to create some steam. You can see the pizzas are too big for a dome. Yeah, I got pizza sauce on me. Why didn't you tell me I had grease and pizza sauce on me? Can't take you anywhere. That's almost. And then we'll move it to the other side. A little bit. Get a little bit more steam action here. Up until now, everything I cooked has come out edible. I hope it does this time. Okay, that cheese will melt just a little more. Just a little water for some steam action. Most of the cheese is melted for that last little bit I put on. We'll go ahead and plate this one. See how the bottom looks. Oh, overcooked. So I hope you like crispy pizza, because that's what you're getting tonight. Okay, let's move this pan. Turn everything on. And yeah, this time, I don't know why it got so hot. Even the handle of my spatula sitting over there was getting too hot. I don't understand. So it's extra crispy on the bottom. It's not perfect. It's the least best job I've done so far. But It's pizza. So we'll see how it tastes, if we can manage to eat the cremated remains of the pizza. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll come back for another episode where I burn something else. Bye, y'all.